Excuse me, sir. You're too close to me, buddy. Your freaking beard is in my face. I'm fucking dead. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Can I help you? Can I help you, sir? Can I help you? I love you too. You're adorable. I don't think I have any... Yeah, I don't have any treats for you, dude. I'm sorry. I love you. You're great.
This guy's smiling.
He's kind of has short legs.
Yeah, he's kind of fat. He's fat. He's fed real good.
And then you got Donkey over here.
Damn mower. I tell you what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
No, ain't what's wrong with it. It needs a spark plug.
No, it ain't the spark plug, I tell you. It ain't the spark plug. Yeah, it's the spark plug, you're right.
Casey, come get this dog. Please. I gotta get this bell on.